to race a 400 cubic inch Tempest. Factory stock car. $11.75 according to the draggy. Still eased it out of the bottom, trying not to spin. We'll see how it was and we'll weigh the car. But without a doubt, that's the fastest pass yet. It is laying down on top. It could use a little bit taller tire. That way it pulls all the way out the top. It looks to be about 62, maybe 6,300 at the end. Scale's reading 7580 already before I pull on the scale. Weird. $41.85 across the scale, but it was reading 75 before I started.